Hey everyone, Matthew here at Earthworks. Today we're talking about Neptunes Harvest Fish Fertilizer. This is a fantastic liquid and water soluble, meaning that you're going to mix it with water to feed your plants. A nice liquid fertilizer that is immediately available to the root systems and the foliage of your plants. We talked a little bit about feeding with a liquid here because it's a little bit different than feeding with a granular or a slow release fertilizer. So the benefit of the liquid is that it's immediately available. The plants can utilize the nutrients right away. So you're going to have faster results when using the liquid as directed. More is never better. Always follow the instructions. You can also use this for a foliar feeding. So the foliar feeding, you're going to be mixing this with water, spraying over the foliage, and the foliage can absorb the nutrients right into the leaves. Anything that drips to the ground, of course, then the roots will absorb as well. A root drench is also a fantastic way to use this product. Drenching the roots as directed will bring superior results. So if you're looking for a good organic fertilizer for your edibles, for your flowers, for your trees, for your shrubs, the Neptunes Harvest is a fantastic choice.